We are Selleh Lake Restoration. Here are two pictures of Selleh Lake. It is currently in a state of rapid decline primarily due to the cyanobacteria algae blooms, which is causing the ecosystem to fail and the concern of residents and the community to grow. Here at Selleh Lake Restoration, we want to become a successful business because clean, non-toxic water and a safe environment are critical necessities to a public park. In this county, there are 33 natural lakes that draw massive crowds during the summer. Even greater, 1.6 million residents live around 1,400 man-made lakes just like Selleh. Beyond Arizona and the U.S. as a whole, 265,000 square miles of land are covered by fresh water, giving this team the ability to scale our company up. When we look outside of the U.S., our market continues to grow exponentially. We are currently working to implement our solution at Selleh Lake in Tempe, located off of McClintock and Broadway. With our current market being Tempe Town Lake and the island's communities, water bodies which are managed by SRP, the scope of this project could reach any lake they operate. Beyond Arizona, this project could be implemented in freshwater bodies in hundreds of thousands of cities, residential communities, and even individual companies or residents with pools or ponds of their own, eventually reaching third world countries purifying bacteria from local waterways. We have definitive proof that cyanobacteria and green algae are growing in Selleh Lake due to the water quality reports that SRP and the City of Tempe conduct yearly, as well as our own sampling. Within the reports from the last 2 years, 14 genera of cyanobacteria were found in the following amounts on the screen. Oscillatoria and Anabaena in particular are cyanoharmful algal blooms which produce neuro and hepatotoxins which can kill most living organisms. The following two pictures on the right are microscopic images of Anabaena filaments from Selleh Lake that our team collected and counted. Potential causes for concern are that the City of Tempe irrigation runoff introduces nitrogen to Selleh Lake. With the addition of stagnant and high temperature water, this causes cyanobacteria blooms to proliferate, which in effect results in decaying biomass of fish and other organisms carrying the oxygen to the bottom of the lake and further repeating the cycle. Our solution is a sand filtration system that mechanically filters and physically absorbs cyanobacteria and other biomass, such as fecal matter, purifying the water. It also improves the circulation by increasing the flow of the stream returning to the lake and adding oxygen to the water. This is an affordable green solution as it avoids common chemicals like chlorine that are often used to treat water. Here's our prototype 1. We are currently running experiments using this model with Dr. Cal at the Biodesign Institute. As you can see, there are 3 main steps. First, pumping the contaminated water from the lake. 2, filtering the water through our unique blend of particles. And 3, returning the clean water back to the lake. This process is continuously repeated. Our results from our first experiment, testing particle blend, showed that one of the 3 blends reduced the cyanobacteria from the water so effectively that in under a minute the water was clear. Within 1 hour, our system removed 75% of the cyanobacteria, and after 8 hours, our system filtered 100% of the cyanobacteria from the water. Here's our large-scale prototype 2, which could be implemented permanently or could potentially be a mobile service, initially cleaning the lake and requiring scheduled cleanings. It's specialized for algae filtration and can be designed for different bodies of water. The communal impact that our project will have is a high priority for our team. In implementing our filtration systems will increase foot traffic to Selleh Park and improve the health of both residents and their pets. Perhaps the most notable impact will be on local K-12 school children. This design will promote STEM education, thus allowing them to study native ecosystems, engineering, and the scientific method by having the internal mechanisms displayed and the plaques detailing the process of our filtration system. The appearance of our final model, Prototype 2, can be altered by adding chalk paint to the exterior in order to promote interaction through hashtags and photo opportunities. Our competitors have ineffectively treated Selleh Lake with algicides and have gone so far as to plan a complete overhaul of the park. What sets our team apart is our biophilic approach to engineering, which avoids chemicals while still providing robust filtration. Our design is the simplest, most affordable, and least invasive. Unlike the sand filtration that can be seen in local treatment plants, our system will specifically target cyanobacteria, algae, and other biomass. We've acquired $5,000 through competitions and donations. The money shown on this budget will be used for the development of our cumulative research and development as well as the implementation of a single final model, Prototype 2. With the money we hope to win through Venture Devils, we would like to put it towards the scale-up of our business and expand our clientele. We plan to reach Tempe Town Lake next and market this design to freshwater bodies across the United States. The estimated cost of build is $3,000 with an estimated market value of $6,000. The City of Tempe's complete restoration was quoted at $1 million of taxpayers' money. We are currently in the patent process, and by summer 2020 we plan to have a mathematical model of our Prototype 2 developed. Thank you for watching.